Hi guys, good day. So for this video, I'm going to demonstrate the procedure on how to measure resistance of the resistor using analog multimeter. So here's the multimeter and the resistor. Let's know first that the multimeter is working. For you to know that, you must select the range selector to buzzer. So this is the range selector to buzzer, so like this. And then join together the two probes. If the multimeter buzz like this, it indicates that the multimeter is working. Next on that, for us to know the resistance accurately, we must set up first the multimeter. The first thing we will do is to point the range selector into resistance scale. Like for example, range times 10 of resistance. So, like this, times 10. And then, we must see to it that the pointer deflector needle rests in infinity scale. Like this, the pointer deflector needle rests in infinity scale. This is the infinity scale. And then when we will join the two probes together like this, then the pointer deflector must deflect into the 0 ohm scale. If it is not in 0 ohm scale, we must adjust it in 0 ohm scale adjuster. Like this. This is not in 0 ohm scale. Adjust it in like that. It's all done. The multimeter is ready to measure the resistance. So, here we have a 4-band resistor with the code brown, black, black, silver. So first we should know that the resistor is working, because there are other times that the resistor doesn't work. For us to know the resistor is working, we must test it. So first we should put the two probes into the two pins. It must deflect to the right. Deflect to the right like that. And then reverse it. Also reverse. Now, as we can see, it deflects to the right. Then, next on that, we will measure the resistance by putting the two probes into each pins of the resistors. And as we can see, the scale there have a reading 1 ohms. 1 ohms. For us to know exactly the resistance, we must times it into its range. As we can see, there is a 1 reading here. One reading here. One reading here. And then the range we use is 10 ohms times 10 ohms. So 1 times 10 is equals to 10. So the resistance of the resistor is 10 ohms.